Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I'm Manhar and welcome back to MSFT webcast. In today's video, we are going to learn the steps on how to enable TLS 1.2 support for Microsoft Entra Connect on Windows Server 2025. Transport Layer Security Protocol version 1.2 is a cryptography protocol that is designed to provide secure communications. The primary goal of the TLS protocol is to ensure privacy and maintain data integrity. Before downloading and running the Microsoft Entra Connect, we need to enable TLS 1.2 on this server where we are planning to install Microsoft Entra Connect tool. If TLS 1.2 is not enabled on your server, you will need to enable this before you can deploy Microsoft Entra Connect. If we don't do that and run the Microsoft Entra Connect setup file, we will get the incorrect version of TLS message. TLS 1.2 can be enabled using either the registry or Windows PowerShell. Open Microsoft Edge web browser. Search for TLS 1.2 on Microsoft Entra. Access this link. This will open the Microsoft documentation web page where you can learn the steps to enable TLS 1.2. In order to force the Microsoft Entra Connect server to only use TLS 1.2, the registry of the Windows server must be updated. You can execute this PowerShell script to check the current TLS 1.2 settings on your server. Click Copy to copy the PowerShell script to clipboard. Search for PowerShell. Open PowerShell Integrated Scripting Environment. Create a new script. Paste the script you copied from the web page here. Run the script. From the output, we can confirm that TLS 1.2 is not enabled on our server. Let's enable it. Go back to Microsoft Edge web browser. Microsoft has provided us this PowerShell script to enable TLS 1.2 on Windows Server. Use this PowerShell script to enforce TLS 1.2 on your Windows Server 2025. Copy the PowerShell script. Go back to Windows PowerShell, create a new script and paste the script you copied from the web page here. Now run the script. TLS 1.2 has been successfully enabled with just one click. Let's verify this. Exit the current script without saving. Let's again run the script to verify the TLS 1.2 status. From the output, we can confirm that TLS 1.2 is now enabled on our server. Once the TLS 1.2 is enabled, we must restart the Windows server for the changes to take effect. Exit the script without saving. Click on No and let's close Windows PowerShell ICE. Also close Microsoft Edge web browser. Let's restart this Windows Server 2025 server. After the restart, log into the Windows Server 2025 using the domain administrator credentials and begin the Microsoft Entra Connect tool installation. That's all for this video on how to enable TLS 1.2 on Windows Server 2025. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Microsoft Entra ID and other Microsoft related topics. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.